Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll see the part 6. We already done few questions from this exercise. So we'll start with question number 9. Find the value of the following. So here 5 by 7 raised to 3 multiplied by 21 raised to 25 divided by 21 divided by 25 raised to 2. So this we can write this one as 5 raised to 3 divided by 7 raised to 3. And for this one we can write it, the factors of this will be 3 into 7 and this will be 5 into 5. So this bracket is important and then raised to 2 because this 2 is for this as well as this. If you just write here like this without a bracket, that shows that this the raised to 2 is only for 7 and not 3. So the bracket is important. Again here the bracket and raised to 2 because this into this one. A raised to n divided by a raised to, so here it can be b raised to n. So that will be, or we can write like this because in this type a by b raised to m, that will be a raised to m divided by b raised to m. So now this the same, this is the same. So this we can separate it, 3 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 2. This will be 5 raised to 2 and into 5 raised to 2. So now this is the same. So now we'll write this also the same, but with this the base is 5, so we can add the exponents here. So that will be 2 plus 2 because a raised to m into a raised to n, that will be a raised to m plus n. So that will be 5 raised to 4. So now this will be 3 raised to 2 as it is. Then we'll go for 5. So 5 raised to, because this is 5 raised to 3 divided by 5 raised to 4. So that is division means 5 raised to 3 minus 4. Then we'll go for this part. 7 raised to 2 minus 3. So this is the same. So this is going to be 5 raised to minus 1 and this will be 7 raised to minus 1. So this is going to be the same. This will be 5 and this is going to be 7. So 9 divided by 35. So minus 4 by 9 raised to 2 into minus 3 by 8 raised to 3 into minus 16 by 19 raised to 0 into 3 raised to 3 by 2. So this will be again here minus 4 by 9 into minus 4 by 9 2 times. This is going to be 3 times. So this is raised to 0. Anything raised to 0 is always going to be 1 and this 3 by 2. So what we can do here, 3 ones are, this will be 1. Again here 3 and this will get cancelled. Then 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Again here 4 ones are, 4 twos are. This, so this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. So you can see what is remaining here. That is, in the numerator we can see all 1. Now we can see here in the denominator 2 twos are 4. This will be 32 and this is going to be 64. Now let us see the negative sign. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 negative signs means that is an odd number. So always that is going to be negative. So that will be negative 1 by 64 is the answer. Now for this one, we are going to multiply this into this. So that is going to be, because a raised to m raised to n, that is going to be a raised to mn. So this 2 by 5 stays the same. This is going to be minus 2 into minus 3, that will be 6, because minus into minus, that is going to be plus. This the same, this the same. So now this will be 2 raised to 6 divided by 5 raised to 6. 5 raised to 3 divided by 4 raised to 3. This is the same. So now let us see 2's, that will be 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 1, that will be 2 raised to 6 plus 1, that will be 2 raised to 7. Then again this 5 raised to 3 as it is. Now let us see for 5 raised to 6 plus this is going to be 1, so 5 raised to 7. This is going to be the same and this is going to be the same. So now this is the same. So now see, in the denominator is 5 is to 7 and this is in the numerator, so 5 is to 7 minus 3. Same. Now here, this is the same, this will be 5 is to 4. This is going to be the same. So 5 is to 4 into this we can write as, for this 4 we can write here 2 raised to 2 raised to 3 into this 3. Same. This will be the same. This is going to be 2 raised to 6 into 3. So now let us see here. Why did you do that here? So simplify it. So this will be 2 raised to 7 divided by 2 raised to 6. That will be 2 raised to 7 minus 6. This is the same. So here 2 raised to 1. So that will be 2 raised to 1. Anything raised to 1, that is going to be the same. The base, the same base. So 2 divided by this one 5. If you multiply 4 times, that is going to be 625 into 3. So 2 divided by 1875. Now here evaluate. So what we can do here, we can separate it first. We can write here this minus here. 3 raised to 3 into this divided by, that will be 5 raised to 3. 9 raised to 2 divided by 25 raised to 2. This is here. Again 125 raised to 2 and 27 raised to 2. So first we'll write this the same. For this one 9 we can write here 3 raised to 2 and this raised to 2. For 125 we can write 5 into 5 into 5. That will be 125 raised to 2. This is the same. So this is going to be 5 raised to 2 raised to 2. For this one will be 3 raised to 3 raised to 2. So now this will be, for this one we can also write this one as minus 1 separately. And this is going to be 3 raised to 3. So this will be 3 raised to 4, 5 raised to 6. This same 5 raised to 4. And this will be 3 raised to 6. Now this minus 1 means we'll keep it separately outside. So now you can see this 3 and 3, the base is same. So this should be added. So that is going to be 3 plus 4, that is going to be 7. This will remain the same. Again here for 5, 3 plus 4, that is going to be 7. This will remain the same. So again minus, let us keep outside. Now what we'll do, we'll take this part. So that will be 3 raised to 7 minus 6. And this is here. And this we can keep it in the denominator itself. So that will be 5 raised to 7 minus 6. So this minus here, this will be 3 raised to 1, that will be 3. And this will be 5 raised to 1, that is going to be 5. So this is the answer. Now for this part, we can write this one as 36 will be 6 square. And 49 is going to be 7 square. 6 raised to 2 here, 7 raised to 2 here. Now for this one 343, when you take, if you don't know directly, you can just factorize it. So that is going to be 7 into 7 into 7. And this is going to be 6 into 6 into 6. So this will be the base the same. So this we are going to add it. 6 raised to 4 into 7 raised to 3. So this is going to be 7 raised to 4 into 6 raised to 3. So this part is going to be 6 raised to 4 minus 3. And this is going to be 7 raised to 4 minus 3. So this will be 6 raised to 1 divided by 7 raised to 1. That will be 6 by 7. So this 2 the same. This minus 2 into minus 3, that is going to be 6. So that will be 2. If you multiply it 6 times, that will be 64. Now this will be 1 by 3. This will be minus 2. So now since this is a negative exponent, so that is going to be 3 raised to 2, which is going to be 9. Express each of the following as a rational number with a positive exponent. So now this is we want the exponent should be positive. So this is negative, let it make it to positive here. So to make it to positive, you have to take the reciprocal of it. So that is going to be 6 by 5 raised to 5. Again, this one, we can write this one 1 by, this is minus, so that will be minus 2. Or it can be also written as, because this is 1 raised to 15 and minus 2 raised to 15. So 1 raised to 15 means that is going to be 1. So we can also write this one 1 raised to minus 2 by 15. Same here, this is going to be the reciprocal, that is going to be 1 by minus 7 raised to 24. And we can write this one 1 raised to 24 means 1. and this will be minus 7 by 24 raised to 24, or we can write this one as, now this is an even number, so this negative here, that is always going to be positive because this is even, because if you multiply it, this will be positive one. So we can also write this one 1 by 7 raised to 24. Again here, when you take the reciprocal of that, that is going to be 5 raised to 3, because 5 by 1, that is going to be 5. For this one, we can write here 1 by 3 raised to 7, or this can be 1 raised to 7 will be 1, and this will be 3 by 3 raised to 7. Now here, find the value of 4 raised to minus 3, can be here 4 by 1, that will be 1 divided by 4, 1 by 4 raised to 3, which is going to be 1 by 64. For this one, that will be minus 5 by 1. If we take the reciprocal of that one, so that will be 1 by 5 raised to 4. So now this is an even number, so 5, if you multiply 4 times, minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 4 times, so that is going to be positive 625. Again, for this one, we can write this one as 1 by 6 will be 6 by 1. So 6 raised to 3 to make it to positive. So 6 into 6 into 6, that will be 216. Same here, that will be 3 by 2 raised to 5. So 3 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5. So that will be 243 raised to 32. Here simplify the following: 3 raised to minus 1 plus 4 raised to minus 1 raised to 2 into minus 4 raised divided by 24 raised to minus 1. So for this part, we can write this one, because this is a negative one, so that will be 1 by 3. As it is, this will be 1 by 4 raised to 2. And this is negative, if you make it to positive, so that is going to be 24 by 14, but this is a minus sign. So now we are going to see this, because this is a plus sign here, so we'll take the LCM of it, which is going to be 12. So you are going to multiply this by 4. So this also by 4, this by 3, so this also will be 3. This the same. So now this will be 4 plus 3 by 12 raised to 2. This is the same. 7 by 12 raised to 2 into this the same. So this is going to be 7 square will be 49, and 12 square, that will be 144, 12 into 12, and this is the same. So now what will you do here? 7 twos are and 7 sevens are, then 24 ones are and 24 six are. So now there is a negative 7 over here, so it is going to be minus 7 by 12. Same here, this is going to be 1 by 5, this will be 1 by 6. So sorry, here this is going to be the same first. So here will be, first we are not going to change this sign, we'll change it at the last. So here, because there are two terms over here, so let us not change the sign over here first, because we have just made it to 1 by 5 and here 1 by 6, and this will change because there is only one number. So this will be 7 by 30 raised to 1, that is going to be positive, so we don't write that 1. Now the LCM is going to be 30, so this is going to be 6 multiplied by 6, so this will be 5 multiplied by 5, so divided by 7 by 30 the same. So this will be 6 minus 5 by 30 raised to minus 1 divided by 7 by 30. So this will be 1 by 30 raised to minus 1 divided by 7 by 30. Now here we are going to change it, because here there is a single number. So now we are going to take the reciprocal of it, that will be 30 by 1, which is going to be 30. And now this is a division sign, we'll make it to multiplication. Since we made it to multiplication, this will be the reciprocal of it. So that will 30 by 7. So will be 900 divided by 7. Again we are the same, 1 by 9, 1 by 10, because it's a negative over here. This let it be the same, because there are two numbers here. This is the same. So this is going to be, now see here, this is multiplication, so we are not taking the LCM of it. So we are going to just multiply the numerator and the denominator. So 1 by 19. So be careful with this sign. Here there was a addition or subtraction. Whenever we take the LCM of it. Here, even if there are two numbers, we don't take the LCM, but we multiply the numerator separately and the denominator separately. So that will be 1 by 90 raised to minus 2 into 1 by 100. So this will make it a positive, that will be 90 by 1, which is going to be 90 into 1 by 100. So this will be 90 square means 90 into 90 divided by 100. So this goes off, which is going to be 9 9s are 81. Again here, this can be written as 1 by 7. And this is a negative sign, so we can write it 2 by 1. That is going to be 2. And this raised to minus 1. This will be there will be LCM will be 7. So 1 by 7. And this is going to be 2 by 1 multiplied by 7. And this is going to be 2 multiplied by 7. And this is the same. So this will be 1 plus 14 by 7 raised to minus 1, which will be 15 by 7 raised to minus 1. Now this is a negative exponent, so we are going to take the reciprocal of it, which is going to be 7 by 15. Again here, now be careful with this one, because this is the round bracket, this is the curly bracket, and this is the square bracket. So what we have to do, first we will solve this curly bracket, and last we are going to solve the square bracket. So now what will you write here? This will be the same. You are going to multiply this into this one. So let this step be extra. This will be 4. We'll keep this bracket as it is. And this is a negative exponent and single number. So we are going to take the reciprocal of it, which is going to be minus 1 by 5 raised to 8. Now we are going to multiply this into this, which is going to be 12. This is the same. This is going to be the same. Then now what you can see, the base minus 1 by 5 and here also is minus 1 by 5. And there's a division sign in between. So a raised to n divided by a raised to n, that will be a raised to m minus n. So minus 1 by 5 raised to, this you are going to subtract to 12 minus 8, which will be 4. So now you can see this is an even number. So minus 1, if you multiply 4 times, that is going to be 1 itself. And 5 when you multiply 4, this is going to be the same. So now this is going to be 1 by 625. So be careful with this one, because even if it is minus 1, that becomes positive because this is an even number. So now let us see this problem here. So this can be written as, because there is a negative sign, we can write this one as 3 raised to 2. And this will be, again, we take the reciprocal, that will be 5 raised to 2. And this is going to be 7 raised to 2. And such type of problems are also very important. So be careful with these problems here. And just try to solve it by taking the reciprocal, because now see here, this is going to be 7 by 1. Usually we don't write 1 in the denominator. So that is always going to be 7. Here also the same, that 5 by 1, because we take the reciprocal. So that is going to be 5 here. 3 by 1, that is going to be 3. So this step is very important. So this will be 9 plus 25 plus 49. So that will be 83. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.